Hello everyone. Today I'll be doing an impression of Gleeman Vox, the villain from one of my personal favorite Ratchet and Clank games, Ratchet Deadlocked. Michael Bell was the voice of Gleeman Vox in the game. He also voiced Dr Nefarious' robot butler Lawrence in Ratchet and Clank Up Your Arsenal and all the other Ratchet and Clank, Crack in Time, and all the other ones he was in. You know what I mean. And I hope you all enjoy it. Here we go.
Yeah, excellent. Bring him in. Give him colors and see if you can get some work out of them first. Greetings, hero, and welcome to Dread Zone. Rest assured you are now far beyond the reach of hope. There will be no rescues, no pardons, no possibility of escape. You are now a contestant on the greatest television program the galaxy has ever known. A celebrity gladiator, battling for the pleasure of a billion screaming fans across the Shadow Sector and beyond. Chances are you'll be dead by tomorrow. But those of you who play the game with skill and strategy will earn the chance to win your freedom. So, good luck, hero. We'll be waiting, watching you. Note the deadlock collar securely fastened around your neck. This collar cannot be broken or removed. Should you stray into any restricted area, the collar will be administered an extremely painful shock. Observe. Should a contestant become uncooperative or worse, boring, his or her collar can be detonated at any time with the push of a button. Well, there you have it. Nothing to lose your head over, right? Welcome, hero, to your new living quarters. Your luxury containment suite is equipped with everything you need as a contestant on Dread Zone. Please make yourself comfortable. You'll most likely be spending the rest of your life here. Alright, fresh meat. Enough chit-chat. You're next up at the Battle Dome after Mobius Man, and from the way he's fighting, it won't be much longer. Now move it! Attention, hero! Report to the Battle Dome transport shuttle immediately. Failure to comply will result in termination. Greetings, hero or heroine. We thank you for choosing Vox Airways for your traveling needs. We do hope you have a pleasant flight. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your in-flight entertainment, courtesy of the Vox Network. Will you lose your lunch if you have to watch one more reality dating show? Is your blouse gone wild video scratch from overuse? Then it's time to turn that dial to something a little more dangerous. Time for some real action. It's time to blow beep up! That's right, it's time for Dread Zone! The galaxy's #1 uncensored, unethical, and completely underground combat sport. Blasting straight at you, live from the Battle Dome! And now, on pay-per-view, watch as Ratchet and Clank take on Ace Hardlight and the Exterminators. They saved the galaxy 3 times over, but how long can they survive in the zone? Catch it live, right here, on Fox. Well, far be from me to keep the superstar exterminator from his busy social schedule. I just have one question for you. Would you like to buy an Ace Hardlight video game? How about an Ace Hardlight lunchbox? Action figure? Movie rights? Collectible trading cards? Ace Hardlight. It's the perfectly manufactured celebrity straight from the presses of the Gleeman Vox media empire. So tell me, why is it that I can't give this stuff away? Don't answer that. Let me take a wild guess. It's because my fans can't stand Ace Hardlight. He's a pompous beep with a charisma bloody and nut cheese. Sip it, Wonder Boy. The little Billies and Susie of the world are spending $1 trillion a day on worthless swag and then completely cut out of the market. Either you start selling this junk, or I'll find someone who will. Now get out of my sight! That's right, kids! Exterminator trading cards are here! There's Reactor, Shell Shock, the Eviscerator, and your favorite exterminator, Ace Hardlight! Collect them all and exterminate your friends today! Look at those idiots cheering! 6 million boats of hardware down the drain, and those idiots are celebrating like they won the freaking lottery! Oh, remind me why I put up these morons. Yeah, I get it. Seems we've underestimated our Lombax friend. Well, he's retired now. Ratchet, however, he just may be useful. He's even more popular than you were back in your heroic youth. Come to think of it, he even reminds me of you. I love that part! What's the bottom line? We sell those? Well, you've obviously made some sort of idiotic mistake. Report to B level for disintegration. Wait! On your way there, tell the lab to set up a focus test. Find out why this stuff isn't selling. Subject 135. Choose one of the following items. A Courtney Tears musical lunchbox, a talking secret agent Clank bobblehead, or this super cool Ace Hardlight action figure with kung fu grip. Subject 136. Choose one of the... Subject 137. Wouldn't you like to play with an Ace Hardlight action figure? Oh, the cool kids are doing it. Yeah, so if Ace is a 2, whose action figure would you rather have, huh? Subject 138.
Sorry, it's a little indigestion. Hang on. Okay, here we go. Tonight on Vox, it's a very special episode of Dread Zone.
Planet Stygia. It's a world ravaged by continual meteor storms. Why, if not for Stygia's powerful defense shield, the entire planet would be decimated in a matter of hours. But somebody dismantled the shield's power supply. Who would do such a horrible thing to the poor people of Stygia? I don't know, but it sure makes for good reality HV. Stay tuned for the hottest episode of Dread Zone yet. And if you live on Stygia, the last one! My boy, you're the grand champion of Dread Zone. The whole galaxy wants to see you. Don't you see, kid? I've been doing everything in my power to make you a star. I transformed you from a worthless nobody into the hottest celebrity in the galaxy. Slandering? But I was just building your bad boy image. Oh, and this is the things I get. Now, don't be such a baby. I'm about to offer you the opportunity of 1,000 lifetimes. I'm making you the new champion of the exterminators. The star of the show. Think of it, we'll make billions. We'll sell Ratchet action figures, Ratchet sports shoes, Ratchet deodorant, Ratchet breakfast cereal, earmuffs and cologne, soft drinks, hard drinks, energy drinks, breath mints. You'll get record deals, movie rights, reality shows, video games, and commercials. And then, what did you say? Why, you just signed your own death warrant. Let him go. We're gonna need one final Dread Zone campaign. Have them prepare that, experimental one they developed. Yes. And... fans of Dread Zone, I share your pain for the loss of the mighty Ace Hotlight. I encourage you all to express your grief and sympathy by purchasing this limited edition Ace Hotlight Memorial action figure on sale now for only 299 bolts. Well, what do we have here, Dread Zone fans? A contestant attempting to sabotage the Battle Dome? How exciting! If he succeeds, the rest of the contestants go free! But if he fails, I've wired the Battle Dome with 6 gigatons of nitroglycerin. If Ratchet doesn't disarm the detonator before time runs out, the Battle Dome will be blown into a trillion pieces! Au contraire, if I was still on the Battle Dome, then it would be insane. But I happen to have a truly lovely view of the action from a remote location. Of course not! You are! Unless you shut your cake hole and get moving. Go on now. Your audience is waiting. Oh, for the love of Blah, cut out the sappy melodrama before you lose my entire audience. I've been waiting for this moment for a long time. I'm gonna give Dread Zone fans the finale they've been waiting for. It's a little one-act play I call Death of a Lombax. Jackpot! Don't turn that dial. Hey, Lunchbox, eat this. Here comes the big guns. Here's our ratings booster. Time for the season finale. Time to pop the action. We'll see you in the reruns. You looked a lot tougher on HV. Keep it lively, it's sweeps week. You got a prize. Time to collect. It's time to put you into syndication. Give the fans what they want. Die. Parental discretion is strongly advised. Show's over, Lombax. Thanks for playing. It's good to always keep the audience guessing. Let's do another take. Put some feeling into it. Heroes never die. They keep coming back as reruns. So, the audience wants a show? I'll give them a show. Oh, nobody saw that coming. It's called a twist. Here's a little something I would do for the after party. Ha! The only time when you're gonna be seen in the reruns. And now, Ratchet's Destruction brought to you by Gleeman Vox. Maybe we should re-up your contract. Here, talk to my lawyers. Fox News Special Report. Team Darkstar is about to be crushed. Oh, it's good to be the boss. I don't like someone, I just do this. Congratulations, you made it to the bonus round. Let's see what you won. I'm gonna toy with you for a while. We haven't peeked in the range quite yet. Oh, you could have been on every kid's lunchbox, Lombax. Now they're gonna bury you in one. Here you go, Ratchet. Meet some of your fans. Behold the miracle of holographic technology. The galaxy's greatest warriors digitally rebroadcast for your destruction. Bombs away! Look out below! It's bomb time! Oof! Ouch! You son of a... Nice shot, hairball. Stop the cameras! Ah, that's it. Now I'm fighting dirty. That's it. I'm rolling credits on you. That's alright. I always like close fights. You little rat. I should have popped your top 4 episodes ago. That's enough for one day, Lombax. This game is over. Hero? Never believe what you see on HV. That's it, Lombax. Drive my rating through the roof. Fox kills Ratchet. What a headline. Gleeman Vox, champion exterminator. Heroes die in a nasty way. I love black comedies. Allow me to slip into something more comfortable. Here's a third act twist. The big bad guy just got bigger. This year on Dread Zone, an audience favorite, the giant mech climactic battle. No, but it will be soon. The escape shuttles all left long ago. Now we'll both die together on live hollow vision. It'll be the best ratings I've ever had. Enjoy your pathetic idealism for the last few seconds of your life. What? No!
Okay, guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna make one more video tonight, and it'll be really special, I promise. Let me catch my breath for a few minutes and I'll make it. In the words of Dimitri, peace out!